How to turn on security lock for Cash App. If you want to turn on security lock for Cash App, it's very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all launch Cash App, and this is the type of interface that you will be able to see. Then tap on the profile icon located at the top right hand corner of the screen, as you can see there. By default, the problem is very simple. When you open Cash App, it just opens up, so it doesn't ask for a lock pin, which means your Cash App is not locked. But if you want more security, you can obviously just go to this option that says security and privacy, and at the top you can see the option called security lock. It says require a pin to unlock the app and move money. So of course you can just tap on the turn on button and just go ahead and then basically create a cash pin right here. Once you also go ahead and then confirm the cash pin you want to use, your security lock have been successfully enabled. Even to unlock the app, you can go ahead and then enable that particular setting, and for moving money also you can do that, and you can also change your cash pin, by the way. And this way you should be able to go ahead and then basically turn on security lock on Cash App. I hope the video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.